Maybe in the future I will make more. This mosquito. It feels like the first time together. Today we are going into the jungle. I'm trying to find a type of tree. I don't know what is the scientific name, but yeah, local we call it kalipapoh. So today I will make an experiment if this kalipapoh tree, kalipapoh wood is suitable for bow making. So stay tuned. Roadblock. So there's a falling tree in front. Just go for it. Just go for it. Just go for it. Just go for it. Oh yeah, scratch me baby. So, as you seen, there's a motorcycle over there. That's my cousin motorcycle. Let's find him. There he is. Assalamualaikum. Ya, Robo sudah kan? Setelah kau mau cari kayu, kau bilang?
Ini lah jangan.
So this is my cousin Harrison Ford. Oh, ya. Mana kau punya nih? Orang rumah. Oh.
Ini betapa salah untuk kartu tempat.
Oh ya, rebus sudah.
Itu kecil, ada yang besar.
Apa itu? Oh, kalipapoh. Ini kah?
Itu anu yang membuat tali.
Ini apa nama dia?
Yang kalau dipanggil tindat.
Tindat. So this is the tindat wood. Here local call it tindat wood. This is suitable for bowstring. Apa yang ambil tuh? Dia punya kulit. Oh, okay, the outside. The outside layer is suitable for bowstring. Mau proses lagi kah? Rendam. Okay. So you cannot use it directly. You need to be processed. This is also a tindat tree. The leaf is like this one. This is tindat leaf. This is a kalipapoh tree. Yang ini dia juga.
Ini ibu dia. Ini memang besar ibu dia.
This is kalipapoh tree. So that is the big one. So I think I don't want to use that. Only want to use the small one. Oh. I get from this thorny tree. Yeah, this seems like nice straight. Okay, I think I will take this, the distal part, the below one. I will cut here. Let's cut it. It look nice. Oh. So today I will make a bow from this kalipapoh wood, green, not dry, green. So if we manage to make it with a green kalipapoh wood, so maybe it nice when we dry it. Ini kayu kalipapoh sesuai untuk buat apa?
Perkakas rumah.
Macam?
Berarti yang
Oh,
tiga frame pintu.
oh,
Tiang.
so this kalipapoh tree is suitable for making house. Tiang pun boleh?
Boleh.
Okay. Oh, ini apa nih?
Tempat ke
Oh, the wood is a little curve to the left side. So this is will be the belly, and this is will be the back of the bow. Center to bow. Cuman mau cari center? Ini center. Mark your center.
Ini kalipapoh.
Kalipapoh juga.
Ya. Mudah.
Okay. Center bow.
Ya.
Nice green.
Kira sesep mah. Boleh lah.
Tersesep. Parang kontot. Ambil feel dulu kalau boleh.
Kira
Gorengan. Later than mine. Very nice texture there. Maybe it's more nice when it's dry. About nearly 2 hours, and this is the progress now. So you need to remove the sharp edges. The edges you need to smooth it with the wipes.
After you done with the rough one, you change to the smooth one.
Boleh jual lah kan? Lama tidak pergi gym. Wah. Satu. Longbow ni memang keras ni. After I shot the bowstring, I managed to pull this height. Still cannot pull so many mosquito. Still little bit to go, but I cannot. It's too hot.
You see how Haris shoot.
So good. So yes, I do recommend kalipapoh wood to make a bow, especially longbow. But I think I want to make one more experiment. We'll get more kalipapoh wood and then let it dry for about maybe 2-3 months or more. Then we will see again.
Can you hear that? Sounds like species of bird.
I managed to build my first longbow without break it. So it's much more to learn, much more to experiment. This is a green one, and I'm pretty sure that if you use a dry kalipapoh wood, it will be much more better. It's so good to build a bow in the jungle. It feels like the mosquito is around me. It feels like you are connected with the nature. That's all from me, Not Borneo Archer. Please subscribe my channel, do like, don't forget to activate the notification bell, and kindly share this video to your friends. Thank you for support my channel.